What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Spell Token. As you guys can see, it has taken a major pump in the last not even 24 hours. I would say in the last couple of hours here it has pumped up over 60% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 0.001 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Spell Token. Why is it pumping so much? Is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well in 2024. What can we expect from Spell Token? How high and how low can it go? And overall, is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell Token, which is here in purple at 0.0006 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.009392 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, the only downside to that is that there is a huge difference between the two values here, meaning the crypto may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, but we will get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is clearly not the case, and it's not realistic. So essentially guys, let's say by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Spell Token to have taken a little bit of a dip down in value. As you guys can see, it started to hit red candles, and the graph has also changed to the negative side, the MACD indicator even. So essentially by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping below 0.0008 cents in value, because right now it is overvalued. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up over 0.001 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles towards this afternoon, evening time, making it drop lower than where it is trading at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and once again looking very steep. So this is not realistic, exact same reason as the previous chart. So essentially over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Spell Token to have hit more red candles, dropping down below 0.0007 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Exact same reason, it has to go through a price correction as it is overvalued right now. So do expect more red days over the coming days. But again, it does not mean that it will be hitting red days consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well, the odd pump here and there, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So essentially going through a price correction. And those of you guys looking to invest into the crypto right now, jumping on it because it's pumping, I would make sure my risk management is on point, because it's pumped up already quite a bit. As you guys can see, it's already starting to drop down in value quite a bit as well. So be careful guys when you're investing into cryptos, especially when they're pumping 60, 70, 80% in a couple of hours. They are very risky and bound to go through a price correction. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks again still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, early to mid April 2024, my expectation from Spell token is an overall minimal increase in value. I'm expecting it to head over 0.001 cents by April-May. Especially with the Bitcoin halving happening in April, this would have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will make another video on that separately talking about it. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So at the moment, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming week or two, dropping down to its original value where it was trading at over the last few days to 0.00055 cents, somewhere around that price range, before it slowly starts to gain value again in March, April and May, heading over 0.001 cents. So going on to the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and I'm not expecting it to get out of the red zone anytime soon. And in fact, I'm expecting it to stay in the red zone for most of 2024 and potentially but get closer to the green zone here. And again, potentially next year is when I'm expecting it to break out into the green zone. So at the moment, we are more than likely going to be stuck in the red zone. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,700% in the last 24 hours, making it $136 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is quite obvious, is due to the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. A lot more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders, as it is one of the top gainers, or in fact the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So it is getting a lot of attention and a lot more people are trading the crypto. Let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys buying it, are you guys selling it, or are you guys simply holding on to it? Comment down below how high do you guys expect this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And can Spell token hit 1 cent anytime soon, as mentioned in the thumbnail? Personally, not this year, at least not for the next 24 months guys, because it is going to require a major percentage increase to hit the 1 cent target, which I'm not expecting from Spell token anytime soon. So for now, it is likely to stay around its current price range, potentially heading to 0.002 cents by next year, mid next year. But the 1 cent target is not, at least for now anyway, is what my expectations are. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.